Hello guys, today is another vlog. I feel like using my G7X for vlogging again for now. So we're just gonna let me have this moment and use the tiny camera. If you have been around since I use the tiny camera literally every day, you're a real one. It is currently early. Like I actually woke up. You guys know I've been trying to get my sleep schedule back on track because it was so bad. I woke up at 10 today. It's now 10:50 and I am finally gonna get my life together. It is August 10th on a Monday. I go back to school a week from today. I go back the 17th and we're doing online, so it's like going back, but I still have to start school in a week, which is not okay. Basically, today I have a few things that I have to do. I'm going to put some makeup on my face, get dressed because I just look bad. And then I have to take Chase to a job interview. Tomorrow's Chase's 15th birthday, which is my younger brother. If you guys didn't know, he turns 15 on the 11th. And then I'm taking him to a shop because he's building a computer and he ordered some things for his birthday that he needs to build the computer from the shop. I'll probably end up vlogging tomorrow on his birthday too. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Right now, I'm gonna watch some Netflix and put some mascara and eyebrows and, you know, just do a little makeup. I started this new show that I've been really liking. I've been watching movies more, and you guys know, if you watch my channel, you know this, I have a very short attention span. I cannot pay attention to movies for a very long time, but I've been watching movies recently. I watched Molly Bloom yesterday and that was really good, and right now I'm watching In the Dark and I'm on episode 5 of season 1 and it's pretty good so far. With that being said, I'll see you guys when I look less like a rat. I need to start being nice to myself. Alrighty, so I'm ready now. We have a little bit of makeup on and I brushed my hair, put some dry shampoo in that ish because it is so greasy. My hair gets so greasy because I wash it every day, which I know I shouldn't do, but I decided not to wash it last night and here we are, living a grease ball. I'm wearing a pretty boring outfit, just some denim shorts, which I think are from Tilly's, and then this cropped Adidas camo top. This is just thrifted and obviously someone just cut a full-size shirt, but I really like the way it fits. And then I'm gonna wear my Yeezys today, so that will be the fit. Until then, I'm straight chilling. I don't have to go anywhere or be anywhere till around like 2. So my dad just got home and we're actually gonna go run some errands to set up their little birthday surprise. Obviously having a COVID birthday is hard in and of itself, but also their boys are doing nothing for their birthdays. Like literally, I don't think they have any plans. Every year my dad gets like balloons and does a little setup on the kitchen counter for us. If you've been watching my videos, you probably know this. Literally for any birthday in the family, that's just always what he's done. I'm putting socks on, by the way. We're gonna go to Party City, get some balloons. I think he's gonna get some like snacks from like a grocery store, some gift cards, just stuff like that. I'm putting my Yeezys on. I think they're gonna match the fit pretty well. We're gonna go birthday party shopping setup, I guess, even though it's not really a party. It's a DeCort party. Cam's birthday is the 19th, by the way, so his is in a few days, but Chase's is tomorrow. The shoes are on, outfit is ready. Let's go. Dang. I have no idea.
They should have helium.
Party City has no helium or balloons.
Okay.
We got some balloons. I don't know how they fit in the mini. I don't know how these fit in the mini. Whee! Okay guys, so it is now time for Chase's job interview. We first have to stop by like a TJ Maxx so he can get a pair of nice shorts because the boy does not wear any nice clothes, and that's okay. But I'm playing Uber. We have to stop by TJ Maxx, then I have to take him to his job interview, and then we have to go to a tech store to get the stuff for his computer. He just ran inside to get something. Dang, he made my car look a mess. Okay, we just got out of the Ross and it is hardcore raining. Just say hi really quick. Tell about your birthday vlog.
Okay, hi.
Guys, he's a little fancy right now.
I'm not, cut this out.
No, it's your birthday vlog.
Okay, this can be my birthday vlog. It doesn't have to be my interview vlog.
I'm just doing a little, look, just a little bit. There's Chase. Let's give you guys a Ross haul. Chase got some underwear, some undies, and he got these shorts that he's definitely going to change into right now because he doesn't own any nice clothes. Can I say where you're interviewing yet?
No.
You don't want me to?
No.
Okay. We're gonna
they can see what, if I get the job, then I'll show them my uniform.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay guys, we are at the undisclosed interview location. Chase just went inside.
Then turn right.
My GPS keeps going off. He didn't tell me that the tech store that we have to go to get his stuff is 30 minutes away.
Turn left. Then turn right.
I'm literally parked. He just went in for his job interview. I'm really nervous for him. It's already 3, so I'm kind of like, you didn't tell me it was 30 minutes away. I'm just gonna chill here. I don't know how long his interview is gonna be, but good luck, Chase. Love ya. So we are currently driving now to the tech store. So Chase went in for his interview, and tell him he's too little.
I'm not old enough.
So basically we're going to the tech store. Chase was too young for the job, which kind of stinks. We're gonna tell you where it was at now. I can't say it? Why? It's funny.
Why?
Because I want to tell them.
It's irrelevant now.
He was gonna work at the Burger King, but you have to be 16 and he's 15, so. Finally, I'm home. It's now 5. That was an adventure and a half. Chase and I had been out since 2. And we went like all around Georgia. Just kidding, I'm being a little dramatic. But I got some McDonald's sweet tea. So good, y'all. McDonald's tea is literally the best for like no reason. But now I'm gonna lay in my bed and chillax because I'm exhausted. That took a lot out of me, surprisingly. I'm just gonna watch my TV show. I don't think I'm gonna vlog anymore today because there's nothing else that's gonna be happening. Tomorrow though, is Chase's birthday, so I'll see you guys then. Hi, it's now August 11th and it is Chase's birthday and I just got ready for the day. It's almost 1. I woke up at 10:30 and was hanging out with my brothers upstairs, and now I think I'm gonna go get bagels with my friend Jack, and then I'm gonna come home and surprise my brothers with bagels. Birthday bagel! Here's a little outfit that I put on. It's really comfy cash, but it's like kind of cute, I guess. So this is just this like shirt. It was full length and I cropped it. I've been cropping like all of my t-shirts because I just like it better and I wear them more if they're cropped. I don't know if that's a good idea, but I've had this shirt for a while and I've worn it like twice. So I was like, I'll wear it more if I chop it. So I chopped it. It says Aruba. I just like the color and how it has a little beach. Then I'm just wearing my Champion sweats, but they're too big around my waist, so I have to like roll them and tie them. It's okay though. And then we have the orange cons and it matches like the little orange in my shirt. So that is the plan. I think I'm gonna pick up Jack and we're gonna go get bagels and then come back here. And tonight we have Chase's birthday dinner. Let's go upstairs and see them. I don't know if they're upstairs actually. I have no idea where they are. Oh yeah. So here's Chase's little birthday setup. The balloons that we got yesterday are a fail and they just won't float. This one's chilling though. That one's really good. These are dead. Here's like the candy that I picked out for him. Here's my gift to him. I got him a bunch of clothes and I didn't wrap it, but it's okay. And I have no idea why we have this many dang pickle jars. That's a little concerning. My dad eats a lot of pickles, but yeah, that's the little birthday setup. It's kind of lame looking this year. So it is a lot later now. I'm a terrible vlogger. Basically, I hung out with Jack, we got bagels, I brought the boys home bagels, and then we went cliff jumping. We went cliff jumping and I didn't vlog, but now it's time for the birthday dinner and I'm all ready. The shoes match the shirt. And we're going to hibachi, which is like where they cook the food in front of you.
Ichiban.
Birthday boy.
Thanks,
Birthday boy. Squad roll out. It's your birthday vlog. You're gonna look back on this when you're 45 and you're gonna be like, I'm so glad she vlogged me. Ichiban. Sushi. So we had to wait for like 25 minutes, but we're seated now and I'm very hungry. I'm starving today, like so hungry. Why does everyone keep looking at me funny? Cam, give me some content. You get all shy when I turn the camera on, but you're crazy when it's not on.
I'm not shy.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, aw. I'm gonna vlog for your birthday too. Cam's birthday's in like 7 days. That was scary. Whoa, ooh, that was good. That's the hype?
No, man. There's a pearl.
There's a what?
There's a pearl. A pearl.
Oh, pretty.
You deserve to grind the
Oh yeah! Blow it out! Did you wish?
No.
I bought it, I get to see you open it. Presents!
Hey, sis gets good gifts, man.
Yeah, I do. Period.
Period.
These white shorts.
Sweet!
Which you need.
These gray shorts.
Like them?
Also the same.
Pretty good looking. And a Santa Cruz shirt.
You see?
Ooh,
You see? Nice.
Ooh.
Good call, sis.
Fancy. Aw, Taffy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
That'll be good for your back to school
Quarantine.
picture on Monday.
Quarantine. Okay, y'all, well, that is it for this birthday vlog for Chase. He just opened presents, and we're gonna do cake in a little while once all of our hibachi food settles. Like, I was really hungry, and then I just ate till I was full, so I didn't, like, overdo it, you know? The rest of my family probably overdid it. We are all good. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. There's probably gonna be a birthday vlog for Cam soon, because Cam's birthday is the 19th, but everyone wish Chase a happy 15th. I hope you guys are having have an amazing day. Subscribe down below. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.